So many years ago, I used to play golf and tennis. And one of the issues I had was my elbow, especially playing tennis. And then when I had a golf lesson, I adjusted my grip and my elbow, my right elbow, got really bad. And then I had to eventually get a cortisone shot to help because I couldn't even straighten my elbow out. Well, years later, I am still facing challenges with my elbow. So I've tried different braces and I connected with Braceability and they sent me this to put to the test. And I'm glad to share this with you. So I work out here at home. You could see I've got this bike and I also have this new dumbbell system, which I love. And when I am working my shoulders or even curls, I feel it in my elbow. And then I was having some major pain for a while. It took about a month to clear up. And so since I've been wearing this brace, it's really helped. It's very well made, very comfortable to wear, and probably the best that I put on. So again, this is by Braceability. I'll be sure to put my referral link so you could check it out. If it makes sense, you can order it and get all the specs, and they go really into great detail. So if you're dealing with golfer's elbow or tennis elbow, this will definitely do the trick. So first of all, on the inner part here, you have this soft neoprene material, and you've got this very soft padding area where it's thicker that you put it on your elbow area. And it really works well. It straps in on my elbow well and stays on. I wear it on my skin, or you can wear it over a shirt as well if you would like. To wash it, you just simply put it in warm water and hand wash it and you're good to go. And it's got this medical grade clamp that helps you use it and lock in place. And then you also have the Velcro. And again, you just find that area where you're having discomfort, wrap that on your arm, and you're gonna be feeling great. Just a couple of things. They call this the Counterforce brace for tendonitis strap support for tennis and golfer elbow pain. And as I mentioned to you, it's a compression piece that wraps tightly on your elbow, and it will really make a difference. And I find when I'm working out, I feel like it gives that better support, and it's something that I'm going to wear probably for the rest of my life, especially when working out. So check it out today. If you are using it, love to hear any feedback. And if you end up getting it, love to hear any testimonials. And of course, any questions you have, let me know. And I hope you stay pain-free. Have a great day. Thanks for joining me.